Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another workout. 2 dumbbells, 15 kg each, full body, 4 exercise, 4 rounds, simple, easy. Let's work first, quick warm up as always, and then we're gonna move forward. Bend the right leg, bend the right knee towards your chest, just push up as high as possible, then you switch, left one, push as high as possible. Awesome, another one, right, push. Good one, left, push. Okay, then we bend, right leg. Okay, switch, left one. Quick warm up. Our side is really warm already. Let's rotate our arms, take a deep breath. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, awesome. First round, we're gonna start with first 10 cleanups, then we're gonna squat, then we're gonna row, then we're gonna lunge. Simple, easy, let's work. Take a deep breath. Here we go. 10 times, and clean. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. From here, right away, we're gonna squat. 10, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Good one. Then we're gonna roll. Squeeze, go back. Stay strong. Safe. Push. Don't forget your body's your clock. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's work. Grab and squeeze. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. The fourth exercise, we're gonna lunge. 1 by 1, 20 totally. Left, right, left, right. Nice and smooth. Awesome. Breathe. Okay, here we go. And from the left, from the right leg first, then switch. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoop. Windy. Not bad. Round 1. 3 more rounds to go. Totally 4 rounds. Cleans. 10 cleans with squats, then row, then lunge. Easy one. Nothing complicated. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Let's work. Round 2. And work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And squat. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Whew. Strong. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. Awesome. Nice. Okay. Let's roll. 10. Up. 2. Nice. 3, 4. Squeeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Woo. Moving fast. If you want to rest, need to rest, just take your time and rest a little bit more. It's okay. I don't like to rest too much. I lose that tension on my body. I need to keep my body always working. Otherwise, you know, it's all about mindset. I do believe we need to push ourselves step by step, not like really crazy from the beginning, but step by step. Here we go. Launch 20. Let's work. Right leg first, back. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, good job. 6, awesome. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, push. 2, good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Whew. 2 more rounds to go. He's hitting really strong. I think he's more than 35, even more, I think. Let's rest a little bit more before the cleans and squat together. We need to rest a little bit more. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply, exhale. Nice. Windy. Okay, let's do the work. And 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squat. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Good one. Breathe. Whew. It's not easy at all when sun is hitting. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Keep in mind, my friends, sometimes we need to push ourselves. Even if we don't want to move more or we feel tired, we need to push our body. So stay strong, keep working. Here we go. Let's roll. 10. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Strong. Launched, and then we are done with round 3. 1 more to go. Stay strong, be consistent. Don't forget your body is your clock. Move forward. Only we are responsible for our healthy lifestyle. Don't blame companies, don't blame parents, children, I don't know, location, gym, whatever. If you will just take 2 dumbbells, 1 mat, you have your own body, and just like continue practicing non-stop for years, trust me, you'll gain like good strength, and you'll live longer and happier, and then you'll have more energy for your family, friends, and parents in general. Here we go. 20. Launch. Grab. Right leg first. 20. 2. Nice. 3. 4. 5. 6. Go jab. 7. 8. Nice. 9. 10. 10 more. 1 push. 2. Nice. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Awesome. Good one. Let's rest. Round 4. Whew. Feeling good. Feeling blessed. Feeling thankful. Strong body first, strong mindset. After that, step by step, you can build everything you want, you know. Nice. Take a few deep breaths. Then exhale. 1 more. Then exhale. Okay, here we go. 10 cleans, followed by squats. Let's work. 10. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Here we go. 10. 2. Nice. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Mat. You should not fly, my friend. Whew. Hitting. Whew. Nice, nice. I do believe you can be persistent, consistent, and you can win in this life. Otherwise, people just, and not only you, maybe you will complain. Many people complaining about their lifestyle, their money, their earnings, like about many things. So please don't complain. Here we go. Let's row. 10. 2, nice. 3, squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. 1 more to go. Let's launch. Whew. Straight, really good. Whew. Quick, effective, efficient, you know. Just 2 dumbbells, 20-25 minutes. I don't know how much it will be, but it's around 25 minutes. This kind of workout. It can be longer if you just rest more in between, but I try to do it shorter because I don't want to spend people's time to make the length of the video like very long and just not effective and efficient. How it is, the real deal. 20-25 minutes, let's work. Here we go, launch. 20, we finish strong. Grab your dumbbells, let's work. 20. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, nice. 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, keep pushing. 2, nice. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Done. Woo. Quick, friends. Let's finish with a few deep inhales first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, quick down dog. Lengthening through the spine. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upper facing dog. Hold 3, 2, 1, and back. Nice. Okay, done. Thank you for being with me. Please subscribe, share, comment, help to push my channel forward to help more and more people. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out.